Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
What are we making today? Winter special breakfast or dessert, carrot vermicelli or Gajjar Seviyan. Energy, fiber, protein, iron, vitamin A loaded and digestion promoting. But before the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break our misleading assumptions and presumptions and bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. Roasted vermicelli. This is already pre-roasted, so we do not have to roast it again. And garden fish carrots. Best are available in winters. Grate the garden fish carrots. There. Once done, aag lagao, a kadai skillet or a wok. Best is a kadai. Assorted dry fruits and nuts of your choice. Desi ghee. And what a beautiful fragrance that fills the air. And briefly saute the dry fruits and set aside till required. And do it briefly, otherwise they burn out and give a bitter taste. And now, in the same desi ghee, add carrots, mix well, and what a beautiful fragrance. And cover and cook. Reduce the flame to simmer or low. And as I need that burner, now fry pan with adequate amount of water to boil the vermicelli in. When done, add the vermicelli, give it a light stir and allow to boil. And remember to cook the vermicelli till it is 85% done. Check if vermicelli has softened. Well, yes, it's almost done. Allow the water to come to a hard rolling boil at least twice. When done, switch off the heat or the flames and remove the vermicelli. Strain the vermicelli immediately. That is to stop the process of further cooking. Wash and rinse the vermicelli to stop it from cooking further. This is very important. Bring down the temperature of vermicelli immediately. Wash and rinse, set it aside till required to be used. Now uncover and stir the carrots. Carrots are looking good now, isn't it? Add desi ghee and stir well to mix well. Add any brown or unrefined cane or any natural sugar as per your taste, that is, and stir well to mix well. Let the carrots caramelize the shade. There, what a fragrance. Now add the vermicelli and stir well to mix well. What a beautiful fragrance that has filled the air. And imagine what a beautiful taste it will have. Add the dry fruits and nuts. And once again, stir well to mix well. Wow, what a fragrance. Now it's time to taste to check and add corrections if required, if any. No, none. Our carrot vermicelli or Gajjar Seviyan are ready. Switch off the heat or the flames and spread the carrot vermicelli or Gajjar Seviyan on a plate or a tray or anything of your wish. Now garnish carrot vermicelli or Gajjar Seviyan with desiccated coconut, grated or powdered. Now wait for flavors of coconut to infuse. When done, serve and enjoy carrot vermicelli or Gajjar Seviyan with all you known as breakfast or dessert.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.